The heartfelt moment when a boy asked his father for one more hug. CCTV footage captured an interesting moment as a father heading to work when something unexpected happened. His adorable son inside the house rushed to the porch and called him. Then what he did brought a smile to the father's face. It turned out the adorable son quickly called his father back to ask for one more hug. This is just a small thing, but it will definitely give the father a great source of motivation and happiness. Tell me, what do you think about this?